Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a bike that's been making waves in the Indian two-wheeler community, the 2025 Bajaj Maxima Z9 Saturn. This thing is turning heads with its sporty design, punchy engine, and tech-forward features. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore everything from its design and engine specs to real-world performance and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. So, buckle up, or should I say helmet up, and let's get rolling. First glance, and you get that sporty Street Fighter vibe. The Maxima Z9 Saturn wears an aggressive fascia with sharp LED daytime running lights that slice through the day, and a headlamp that feels both futuristic and functional. The muscular tank with sharply carved knee recesses gives it a proper macho stance. There's loads of sculpting around the body panels, which contributes to that bold, athletic look. Coupled with the split seats, low clip-on handlebars, and rear-set foot pegs, it looks like it means business. From behind, that undertail exhaust tucked under the swing arm gives it a clean tail section, and the LED taillight has a distinctive pattern that's easily recognizable. The single-piece grab rail sits flush with the tail, while the rear fender extender houses reflectors and the number plate bracket. All in black and dark gray with a mix of matte and gloss surfaces, the look is very modern and stealthy, something younger riders will definitely appreciate. As for ergonomics, the bike is built on a sturdy perimeter frame that feels solid under load. The seat height is around 795 mm, which should be manageable for most riders. The split seat layout gives the rider a slightly lower perch than the pillion pad. Reach to the clip-on bars is sporty, but not too aggressive, perfect for daily commuting or spirited riding on twisty roads. The standard steel swing arm helps keep the cost and weight down, but don't expect the last word in cornering finesse. Moving on to the heart of the machine, the engine. Bajaj has given the Maxima Z9 Saturn a 249 cubic centimeters single-cylinder liquid-cooled DOHC mill, which is quite a step up from its predecessor. With fuel injection and a balancer shaft to reduce vibration, this engine pumps out around 28 horsepower and 22 Nm of torque. Power delivery is smooth yet eager. Flick the throttle and you feel that mid-range punch instantly. Top-end dreams are there too, with a rev-happy nature up to about 10,000 RPM. The optional radiator fan keeps things cool in city traffic, and the 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch ensures crisp shifts during aggressive downshifts. Now, tech talk. The Maxima Z9 Saturn gets a full-color TFT display and industry first in its segment. You've got smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth, providing turn-by-turn navigation, call and message alerts, and even ride statistics such as fuel efficiency, trip meters, lap timer, you name it. The display also includes a gear indicator, real-time shifting IND.